In this video, we will show you how to replace your plate light assembly on this Ford Ranger. This will be mounted directly to your rear bumper. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. You're going to have to safely make your way under the rear of the vehicle so you can gain access along the backside of your plate light assembly. Now along the backside here is where we're going to find our wiring harness. We'll take hold of this just next to that bulb socket. Give it a little twist counterclockwise to dislodge it and remove the bulb socket from the back of the license plate assembly. With that out of the way, let's continue on along the back side of the plate light assembly. You'll find that there's two locking tabs. There's one right here where my pick is located and the other one is on the opposite side of the assembly. You could use a pick, screwdriver, whatever you might happen to have. Press in on those locking tabs and rock this out of place, pushing it towards the rear of the vehicle. On the back side there. Push this out. There it is, friend. Clean and inspect the mounting point. Now we can install our brand new assembly. Put it in place, aligning your two locking tabs and press it in until you hear a click from both sides. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's secure. Once you've done that, make your way under the vehicle. Let's take this and put it in place along the back side of the assembly here. Twist that clockwise to lock it in. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's secured to the back side of your plate lamp assembly. Now we can make our way out from under the vehicle. The last thing you want to make sure you do is test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.